Hi everyone. Today's topic 4-digit numbers. The name of the chapter 4-digit numbers. In that, let us discuss about 4-digit numbers. Okay? Yes. See here. Today we are going to discuss about 4-digit numbers, number names, how to write numbers by abacus and place values. Okay? Okay. Now, in previous class, already you learnt about 3-digit numbers. The largest 3-digit number is 999. Yes, 999 is the largest 3-digit number. After that number, 1000, 1000 will come. That is called the first and smallest 4-digit number. The first and smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000. Okay, see here children. In a number there are 4 1-digit numbers, means that number is called, the total number is called 4-digit number. Here I gave for you 1 4-digit number. See on the screen. This is the number. This is the 4-digit number. Here, if you observe, here I gave 4 1-digits. Those are 2, 3, 5, 4. 2, 3, 5, 4. Yes? If suppose in 3-digit number, how you write place values? You start from right side, no? Yes. Here, see, here also you should learn like that only. Here 4 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place, 3 is in 100's place. Up to that you know. And one more number is there in the your extreme left. That is 2. That is the place of 1000. That is the place of 1000. Now see here, abacus. You know, no? In 3rd class you prepared 3-digit abacus. Yes? Here see. I said to you know, once again I will repeat. Here see, 2, 3, 5, 4. 2 is in 1000's place, 3 is in 100's place, 5 is in 10's place, and 4 is in 1's place. Whenever you are saying place values, you should start from right side. Right side, your extreme right. Right side, first one is 1's place, next 10's place, 100's, right to left. Okay children? Now, see here, I will show you through abacus. The number I will show you through abacus. Here see, in 1's place, what digit is there in that number? 4. So, we draw 4 beads on 1's place. And 5 is in 10's place. We draw 5 beads on 10's place. Next, how many beads you should draw in 100's place? 3. 3 digit is there in the 100's place. So you should write 3. You should draw 3 beads on the 100's column. Next, in 1000's place 2 is there. So we draw 2 beads on 1000's column. Okay. See once again here, 4 columns are there. 4 columns are given in abacus, because now we are learning 4-digit numbers. So here in 1000's place 2 beads are there. So we will start with 2. 2 is in 1000's place, 3 is in 100's place, 5 is in 10's place, 4 is in 1's place. This is called abacus. representation of the 4-digit number like this is called abacus. Next, see here, I gave for you the 4-digit number 2, 3, 5, 4. Then, if you observe the screen, means this is called place value chart. Place values, places. Here, the number 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousands place. Always you should see the places from your left to right. Okay, children. Now here see, 4 is in ones place. That means the value of 4 is 4 ones, means 4 only. 5 is in tens place. The value of 5 is 5 tens. That means 15. Next, 3 is in hundreds place. Value of 3 is 300. Value of 2 is in 2 is in thousands place, so value of 2 is 2000. Okay, now I will show you that places and their values. Now here I will show you with another number, another 4-digit number, 4682. 4682. I already said to you, you should start from right side. You should see from your left to right to left. Okay. Now see right side, the last digit is 2. 2 is in ones place and the value of 2 is 2 because that is in ones place. Next, 8. 8 is in tens place. The value of 8 is 80. Next digit is 6. 6 is in hundreds place. The value of 6 is 600. Next, 4. 4 is in thousands place. The value of 4 is 4000. Okay. Now, see here, you should learn you already know ones, tens, hundred spelling. Now, you should learn thousand spelling thoroughly. Because 4-digit numbers all, you should start with 1000 only, 1000 spelling. Okay. Now, see here, I will give you oral practice. Read with me. T H O U S A N D, thousand. Once again, T H O U S A N D, thousand. Okay. The pronunciation is thousand and the short form of thousand is TH, capital T and small h. Okay, TH. You should practice this thousand spelling at house. Now here see children, number names. I give for you 5 numbers. See the first number, 2162. Here I give all 4-digit numbers only. See first one, 2162. Here 2 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, and once again the 2 is repeated. The 2 is, but here 2 is in thousands place. Okay, then you start with the your extreme left. First number is first digit. In thousands place 2 is there, so you should start with 2. That means here you want to write number names, so you should write spellings. First of all, read the number. Here I will read this number. See here, 2162. 2 is in thousands place, 1 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place. So here we write 62. Okay. See here the spelling, TWO2, THOUSAND, thousand, ONE1, HUNDRED, hundred, SIXTY, 60, TWO2, 2162. 62. Okay. Now come to next number. Here I gave 3493. 3493. Here, if you observe your right side last digit is 3, that is in ones place. Next before one 9 is in tens place, 90. 4 is in hundreds place, 400. 3 is in again that 3 is in thousands place. Then you should start with 3000. 3493. Okay children. Now here see 3493. THREE 3, THOUSAND 1000, FOUR 4, HUNDRED 100, NINETY 90, THREE 3, 3493. Okay. Now next number 1781. 1781. Once again 1781. ONE 1, THOUSAND 1000, SEVEN 7, HUNDRED 100, EIGHTY 80, ONE 1. 1781. Okay. Next. Here I gave 1806. Here, where is 8? 8 is in which place? 8 is in hundreds place. 1 is in thousands place. 0 is in tens place. And 6 is in ones place. Always you should rewind in your mind the places. Okay, then only you should write the number name. Now here which digit is there in thousands place? 1. Then you start with 1806. Here if you observe means any number I did not mention end. Okay, you also no need to write that end. Why? Because that one after I will give explanation. You know, you don't write end. 1806, 806, 1781. Don't write beta. Okay. Next. See here. Once again I will repeat that number, fourth number. 1806. Next, the last number on the screen. The 4-digit number here. 4 are 3's only. 3333. Then you start from your extreme left, that one with the 3 only. Then you start with 3333. Okay, 3333. Shall I repeat again from first to last these 5 numbers? See here. First one 2162. Second one 3493. Third one 1781. Fourth one 1806. Fourth one 3333. Okay, these are the number names. Now see here, I only given for you the number names. You should write the numbers. Then here you should observe the places very carefully. Then only you should write the number. See first one 7000. 1000 came means you should write 4 digits in the number. Okay, 7252. Then you should write 7 in thousands place, 2 in hundreds place, 52, 5, 2, 52. 5 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. Okay, then the number is, see your extreme right, 7252. Now, second number name, 1311. 1311. Then you should write 1 in thousands place, 3 in hundreds place. After what number? 11. 11 means 1 1 11. 1 you should write in tens place, and one more 1 write in ones place. Then the number is, see your right side, 1311. 1311. Next number name, 6818. 6818. That means 6 write in thousands place, 8 write in hundreds place, 18 1 write in tens place, and one more 8 write in ones place. 18 means 1 8 18. Now next number name, 3701. 3701. You should write 3 in thousands place, 7 in hundreds place. Here, see children, no tens place. 701. How you will write 701? 701. Then you should write 3 in thousands place, and next 701 means 701, right? Okay, that means you should write 0 in tens place. Okay, see here, number I will give. See here, yes, 3701. 3701. Next, the last number name, 5678. 5678. Okay, 5. You should write 5 in thousands place, 6 in hundreds place, 78. 78. 7 write in tens place, and 8 write in ones place. These are the numbers from number names. Okay, you should write numbers from number names. Here you should once again I am saying, here you should see carefully the number name and places, thousands place what number, hundreds place what number, like that you should see and write the number carefully. Okay, now once again I will show you the slides. See here, today we learned, we discussed about 4-digit numbers, number names, how to draw abacus for 4-digit number, and place values. Yes, see here, 4-digit number. Here I give for you first 2354. This is the number 2000. I am reading the number 2354. Okay, here abacus for that number. 2 is in thousands place. Okay, I will read from right to left. 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place. Okay, for you abacus given means you should easily you should write that number. Yes, you count the beads and write the number. Next, see here, this is the place value chart. I gave for you 2354 number now. You should count from extreme right 4. Extreme right, the last digit is 4. That 4 is in ones place. Before that 5 is in tens place. Before that 3 is in hundreds place. Before that 2 is in thousands place. Next, here see places and their values. Now here I gave for you one more 4-digit number, that is 4682. Here again you should see from your right side. 2, the last digit is 2. 2 is in ones place, then that value is 2. Next, before that 8 is in tens place. 8 is in tens place and the value of that 8 is 80. 80 because 8 is in tens place. Next one 6. Before that 8, 6 is there. 6 is in hundreds place. So the value of 6 is, the place value of 6 is 600. 600, 600. Next, before that 6, 4 is there. 4 is in thousands place. Value of that 4 is 4000. Okay. Now, you should learn thoroughly the spelling of thousand. The spelling is THOUSAND. Thousand. Okay. Here I give number names. Once observe the screen. Okay, 1000 and 100 spellings are very important. You should learn the two spellings. Here see, I give the number names. You should write the numbers. First one 7252, 1311, 6880, 3701, 5678. Okay, like that you should take any 4 one-digit numbers and you write so many 4-digit numbers and learn how to write their number names and place values. Okay. Okay. Thank you.